Stunning rustic epoxy resin dining tables with live edge wood modern design ideas. Hello there. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where rustic charm meets modern design. In today's video, we are diving into the breathtaking world of epoxy resin dining tables made from live edge wood. These handcrafted masterpieces combine the natural rawness of wood with the sleek beauty of resin, creating centerpieces that are both artistic and functional. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your next DIY project or dreaming of the perfect statement piece for your dining room, this collection of stunning rustic meets modern dining table designs will leave you inspired and full of ideas. Let's get started. In the evolving world of interior design, few furniture pieces have captured the imagination quite like the epoxy resin dining table crafted with live edge wood. These tables are not just functional, they are sculptural statements that tell a story of nature, creativity, and craftsmanship. The beauty of live edge wood lies in its raw authenticity. Unlike traditional wood that is trimmed into symmetrical, polished boards, live edge slabs retain the organic contours, knots, and natural imperfections of the tree they came from. This gives every piece a unique personality, a rustic charm that cannot be replicated. When this raw wood is combined with epoxy resin, the result is a mesmerizing fusion of rustic and modern tables that are simultaneously wild and refined, rugged and sleek. Epoxy resin is an incredibly versatile material. When poured, it flows like liquid glass, filling cracks, voids, or entire river-like channels carved between slabs of wood. Once cured, it hardens into a smooth, crystal clear, or vividly colored surface that enhances the wood's natural grain while adding strength and durability. One of the most popular design techniques in this space is the river table, where two live edge slabs are positioned with their natural edges facing inward. The space between them is filled with colored or clear resin, creating the illusion of a river flowing through the table. Depending on the pigment used, the resin can mimic the look of water, stone, smoke, or even fire. It's a captivating visual that transforms a table from mere furniture into a living artwork. Color plays a crucial role in these designs. Some tables feature clear resin that lets the beauty of the wood speak for itself, while others introduce vibrant hues, deep ocean blues, emerald greens, metallic silvers, or smoky blacks, that enhance the drama of the piece. The contrast between the dark richness of woods like walnut or acacia and the shimmering intensity of metallic resin creates a bold visual that suits both rustic homes and ultra-modern interiors. In fact, the ability of these tables to straddle different styles is one of their greatest strengths. They can sit comfortably in a farmhouse dining room, a minimalist loft, or a contemporary kitchen, always standing out as a centerpiece. The versatility doesn't stop at color. Many epoxy resin tables incorporate other artistic elements that elevate their uniqueness. Craftsmen often embed objects such as stones, shells, coins, feathers, or even small LED lights into the resin. This adds a layer of texture and meaning to the table. Some designs go a step further, recreating landscapes, ocean waves, or topographical maps inside the resin, turning a simple surface into a full-blown artistic expression. This creative freedom has made epoxy resin a favorite among modern woodworkers who want to push the boundaries of traditional furniture design. Beyond their visual appeal, epoxy resin dining tables are also known for their practicality. Once cured, the resin surface is extremely durable, resistant to heat, stains, and scratches. This makes it ideal for a dining table, which must withstand daily use, spills, and gatherings. Unlike traditional finishes that wear over time, resin retains its glossy finish with minimal maintenance. Many of these tables are finished with a high-gloss polish or matte finish depending on the desired look, ensuring a premium feel underhand and a polished appearance that elevates any dining space. The base or legs of the table also play a significant role in the overall aesthetic. Many makers opt for modern industrial-style metal bases, black powder-coated steel frames, hairpin legs, or geometric X bases that contrast beautifully with the organic surface of the wood. Others use reclaimed or rustic wood for a cohesive look. This combination of earthy tops with sleek bases perfectly captures the rustic modern balance that has become so popular in today's interior design. Each epoxy resin live edge table is a custom piece. Because every slab of wood is different, and each pour of resin is slightly unpredictable, no two tables are ever the same. This sense of individuality is deeply appealing in a world of mass-produced furniture. Whether handcrafted by a skilled artisan or created as a DIY project at home, these tables carry a personal touch and a connection to nature that adds warmth and authenticity to the home. Speaking of DIY, the growing maker movement has embraced epoxy resin woodworking with enthusiasm. With the right tools, materials, and safety precautions, more people are exploring the process of building their own live edge tables. Online tutorials, woodworking communities, and resin art courses have made this craft more accessible than ever before. DIY enthusiasts appreciate the opportunity to turn a rough slab of wood and a bucket of resin into something truly spectacular. It's a rewarding process that allows for full creative control, choosing the type of wood, the shape of the slab, the color of the resin, and the finish of the surface. Another appealing aspect of these tables is their connection to sustainability. Many of the live edge slabs used in epoxy designs are sourced from salvaged or sustainably harvested trees. What was once considered waste wood, cut-offs, storm-felled trees, or lumber with imperfections, is now being celebrated and transformed into beautiful, functional art. When paired with low VOC epoxy resins and eco-friendly finishes, these tables become an environmentally conscious choice that supports responsible design practices. In addition to their place in residential homes, these tables are increasingly being used in commercial spaces, cafes, restaurants, boutique hotels, and offices, where they serve as showpieces that make a bold statement. Their visual impact helps create a mood and a brand identity that's unforgettable. In these settings, epoxy resin tables are often paired with coordinated lighting, greenery, and handcrafted decor to complete the natural modern theme. Styling a live edge epoxy dining table is an experience in itself. Because the table already commands attention, the surrounding decor can be subtle and complementary. Neutral-toned chairs in fabric or leather, natural fiber rugs, and simple centerpieces like a bowl of fruit or a ceramic vase let the table take center stage. For special occasions, the resin surface beautifully reflects candles or pendant lights above, creating an ambient glow that enhances the entire dining experience. Overall, the stunning blend of live edge wood and epoxy resin is more than a design trend, it's a celebration of contrast, craftsmanship, and creativity. These dining tables represent the best of both worlds, the wild, unpredictable lines of natural wood and the clean, controlled beauty of modern materials. For anyone looking to make a lasting impression in their home, a live edge epoxy resin table isn't just an option, it's a statement. Thanks for watching. We hope this video gave you inspiring ideas for how epoxy resin and live edge wood can come together to create dining tables that are not only functional, but truly unforgettable. From river-style designs to bold color infusions and intricate embedded elements, there's no limit to the beauty you can create when nature and craftsmanship collide. If you loved these rustic modern dining table designs, don't forget to like, share, And subscribe to Kuki Decor for more creative woodworking and home decor inspiration. See you in the next video.